Hello guys, if you want to play against your friends in College Football 27, the process is really straightforward. Right now, the quickest way is through the play section and it only takes a few moments to set everything up. Keep in mind, there are other ways to play with friends like using different leagues and online modes, but if you are just looking for a standard head-to-head match, this is the easiest option. From the main menu, open the Play tab, then select Play a Friend. If you are planning to play locally, meaning both players are using the same PlayStation, Xbox or PC, simply choose Play Now instead. As long as you have two controllers connected, you'll see two player icons on the screen. From there, each player can join in and you can start a local head-to-head match on the same system. For online matches, go back to the Play menu, then select Play a Friend. Before sending the invite, you'll be able to customize the match settings. You can adjust options like fatigue, injuries, team balance, quarter length, game skill level, accelerated clock, and even the weather conditions. Once you have finished choosing your settings, press A or the confirm button to continue. The game will then open your EA friends list. If you are using crossplay, you can invite friends on supported platforms as well. When your friend is online and in the game, select their name, send the invite, and wait for them to accept it. After they join, both of you can choose your teams and the match will begin. That's all there is to it. While these games are unranked, it's the fastest and easiest way to play an online head-to-head match against your friends in College Football 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.